Trefnydd, I'd like to request an urgent statement regarding planning in special areas of conservation. I've recently met with local businesses who are deeply concerned that planning authorities in West Wales are adopting a precautionary approach to applications based on a letter they've recently received from Natural Resources Wales. This is despite any formal planning guidance being updated, and so this approach is happening despite any actual change taking place. It has been made clear by local planning authorities that planning applications that involve any potential runoff into a special area of conservation will not be determined until NRW updates its official planning guidance, though planning applications have been progressing until recently under existing NRW guidance, and the guidance has not yet changed. Trefnydd, the economic implications for West Wales cannot be ignored. If developments are stalled, it will seriously affect local businesses and jobs could be at stake. We therefore urgently need a statement from either the Deputy First Minister and Cabinet Secretary for Climate Change and Rural Affairs, or indeed the Cabinet Secretary for Economy, Energy and Planning. It's essential that the current situation is clarified for all concerned, and that the Welsh Government must ensure that development is not brought to a standstill in West Wales.
Diolch yn fawr, Paul Davies. And you've drawn attention to something which is a matter for local planning authorities, but obviously, democratically elected local authorities, the planning functions are very much guided by planning policy Wales, but also, of course, taking into account guidance from other bodies such as NRW. You've raised the question. It's obviously needs a lot more explanation about impacts in terms of what, already whether these changes are being made. But anyway, I think it's important that you have raised it, and I'm sure the Cabinet Secretaries will respond in terms of further questions.